Hey everyone, Aaron Richardson here from Century 21 Heritage Group. I wanted to show you how to do a time-adjusted value using the HPI tool that PropTax provides access to. And what this will do is take a price in the history of a house in a certain area, and then based on the value of that house back then and the increase or decrease in value over time, what would it be worth if all things were equal in the future? And it helps us do market evaluations and just gives us some insight as a tool to do these market evaluations. So first of all, you'll have to log into and go to the MLS HPI dashboard. As soon as you click through there, you'll be taken over to the dashboard, in which case you will be given a few different things to decide on what you want to use in terms of a tool. And I'm going to go with price estimate because that is the best way to come up with that price increase or decrease, so the time adjusted value. So this house happens to be a house that is on the market currently, 811 Grandview Way. It's listed for $788. And in the past, it had been purchased because you went into GeoRare House and you saw that it was purchased in 2023, November, for $790. And because it was purchased then at $790 and today listed at the same price, we want to say, well, did it go up and down? Like, what did they come up with this price? So we go into the interactive HPI dashboard. We choose Willowdale East, which is the area that it's located in. It's a townhouse. It was previously sold in November of 2023, so I entered that as well. And you can see how these drop downs work. You're going to have to obviously pick the right area and style of home. And then November 2023, you can go all the way back to 2005. And then the previous sale price was $790. So based on those trends, those HPI trends for the townhouse units in Willowdale East and the previous selling price of $790 back in November 2023, the estimated price in May 2026 would be $659. So it's actually gone down quite a bit in value since they purchased in at $790,000. Now, the only caveat to this is you have to take everything into consideration as well. Things could have changed. They could have done $100,000 worth of renovations, and in which case they justified the price at $790 again. So, but that's how you use the HPI tool. I hope that helped you. We'll talk to you soon.